If you're looking for the best machine learning courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Machine learning is one of the most valuable skills in AI today, and choosing the right course can help you build practical skills and advance your career. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's count down the top 3 machine learning courses on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and the credibility of the organizations behind them. At number 3 is Machine Learning with Python by IBM. This beginner-friendly course is perfect if you already know basic Python and want hands-on machine learning experience. You'll learn supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, model evaluation, and how to build machine learning models using popular Python libraries. It's an excellent practical course with a shareable certificate from IBM. At number 2 is the IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. This career-focused program includes 6 comprehensive courses covering machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, feature engineering, and a real-world capstone project. You'll gain practical experience while earning an employer-recognized professional certificate that can strengthen your resume. Taking the number 1 spot is the Machine Learning Specialization from Stanford University and DeepLearning.AI, taught by Andrew Ng. With a 4.9 star rating, nearly 40,000 reviews, and more than 800,000 learners enrolled, it's widely considered the gold standard for learning machine learning online. You'll master supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, TensorFlow, and industry best practices through hands-on projects. If you're planning to complete more than one of these programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about learning machine learning in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to complete multiple world-class programs while saving money. If you found this guide helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.